Looking for the best email services in 2025? Let's compare Protonmail and Thunderbird, two powerful but very different email platforms. Protonmail is a secure, privacy-first email service based on Switzerland. It uses end-to-end encryption, meaning even Proton can read your emails. The interface is clean, modern, and works across web, iOS, and Android. You also get Proton Calendar, Proton Drive, and a VPN in the ecosystem. It's perfect for users who value security, anonymity, and simplicity. Thunderbird, on the other hand, is a free, open source email client for Mozilla. It's highly customizable and works with any email provider: Gmail, Outlook, Protonmail, and more. You can manage multiple accounts, use extensions, themes, and even offline mail. It's great for power users who want full control of their inbox and workflow. So, which is the best in 2025? Protonmail is perfect if you want a secure, all-in-one private email platform. Thunderbird is ideal if you already have an email account and want to manage everything in one flexible app. Both are privacy respecting. It all depends on whether you want a secure email service or a powerful email client. So, which one fits your needs best? That's it for today's guys. Thank you for watching this video.